What's up, YouTubers? And I'm back with another one. Y'all know I had to come out with another video today. And today we are having
international snacks from China, Japan, Haiti, I think the Philippines, and I think those are the four that we have the international snacks from.
Yeah, we went to the store yesterday and grabbed this stuff and we wanted to try it. We was, wondering what it's all about from different cultures and what they eat and stuff like that. So anyways, thank y'all for watching and tuning in. And for the new subscribers, thank y'all for watching and I appreciate y'all. And also, we're not just only doing this today, we have a
Harry Potter jelly bean challenge.
So we gonna make it do what it do. So let's get this thing started.
Okay, the first one we're gonna do is the honey butter, and this is from Haiti. So what we're gonna do is, if it's good, it's gonna go on my side. If it's not good, we're gonna put it over on the other side. But she might like it, and then I might not like it, and then it might be vice versa. So
I'm gonna tell you something.
We're gonna try this.
I'm kind of tempted. All right.
And this is the honey butter.
The honey butter.
Okay.
All right. It's not bad.
It's sweet. Tastes like popcorn a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a little buttery taste. Of course, it says buttery, but this is. Well, I'm gonna give this a
thumbs up.
A thumbs up for this one because.
Yeah.
I'm still a little bit nervous because we got so much up in this.
So,
basket.
That one. And that's from Haiti.
Right.
Okay. This is from, let me see, I want to say this is from China, maybe? Yeah, this is from China, and it's the old-fashioned salt and vinegar crackling.
Woo! Now everybody, it's not regular. This is from them. Woo! What is
This is vinegary smell.
Oh, y'all, it's totally different. Man, look at this. Look at this.
Yeah.
Wow.
I like it.
It's like
Skins.
it is skin, but man, thumbs up. Thumbs up for that.
Our next product, I should have wrote this down, but I want to say this is from Japan, and it's potato fries.
Ooh.
So,
interesting.
That's what it looks like.
These like some hot fries, y'all.
Yeah, but they're bigger.
But yeah, they're a little bigger. It's actually okay. You don't like it? I think at the end I tasted tomato. And then it's not that bad.
It's not. It's okay.
It's okay. I'm gonna give that a thumbs up.
Yeah, it's okay.
I mean, these snacks is actually okay to. So they actually got some better stuff than American snacks.
So this one is called Rachi. It's a milk snack. It's from the Philippines.
Ooh.
So I don't know. I'm thinking this probably tastes like a cereal. Because it says a milk snack, and it's probably like a little,
Oh Lord.
sweet. It's a little square. Okay. See? I'm gonna do a thumbs down.
Hey, that tastes like Pops.
Yeah.
I
love Pops, but On your side.
Mm-mm.
Okay, this is from the Philippines, and it's this is a sweet corn snack. So I don't know. Oh, it's like little.
What?
It smells just like corn too. It's like
look, y'all.
Let me
Oh
see.
my god. That tastes like the canned corn.
That cream corn.
Yeah.
Gross. That was a thumbs
Down.
down.
Thumbs down, y'all. Ooh.
No. Okay. Well, I'm sorry. Here's another snack from the Philippines. It's the hot garlic flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Some kind of, it's called cornic.
Yeah.
So,
Yo, something. I ain't gonna lie, I might get back with them others like that honey. Yeah. Ooh. What is it?
it's things, and they're little. They like corn puffs. Like the
Corn nuts.
something.
Ooh, y'all, look at this.
Y'all. Oh, not bad. It's not good, either. I wouldn't buy it. It's burnt tasting. Thumbs down.
Oh my. Why? It's like we get to the nasty ones now at the end.
Okay.
Oh my god, I picked that out.
I don't know if this is the one you said. Yeah.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's pretty much.
This is a
Boozled.
product. This is a product of China. And it's the numb and spicy hot flavored Lay's. And I think this is like a ruffle, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But it's loud, because I can smell it.
What do you mean
Like the
peppery loud?
the smell of it. Ooh, I don't know.
Ooh. Wait a minute.
I don't know if I can do
Yo, look at this.
this. I don't know if I can do this. It smells bad. I really can't tell. Are you going to buy it?
I mean, that smell just threw me. I don't know. I want my breath to smell like the way it smells.
To me, y'all, it's hot and it's a down for me. It's spicy. Okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, no, it's gross. Y'all, this is another one. I picked this one out. It's the Mexican chicken and tomato flavor. And it's a product of China.
Why did I get excited for that? If I knew it was gonna be so,
it was gonna be good. No.
Oh my goodness.
This is the Mexican chicken. I got a feeling I'm gonna like this.
I think it is. The taste at the end is
the
not.
tomato flavor.
Ooh, that's too overpowering, bro.
Yeah, this is a thumbs down for me.
Thumbs that down. Pass this down. We don't need this stuff.
Our next is a product of China, and it is shredded squid.
Shredded squid, y'all. Shredded. This squid. Let me stop.
Okay.
Woo! It was buttered.
Buttered.
Yeah. Well, I'm getting.
You getting a whole lot of that. Give me a little piece.
I'm trying to get it, but you know. There we go.
Yeah.
This is the squid, y'all.
Yeah.
All right.
No, for me. I can't. No. Never. That's a thumbs down.
Down, man. Oh.
Okay. Now, this is the sweet part. This is a product of Japan, and this is the muscadine grape gummy candy.
Jesus.
Oh, it's in a little pack.
Oh, okay. That's what's
smells
up.
like
Oh, it smells good. I think I got a good feeling about this. Well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it right here in case I might,
Yeah, it's like a gummy.
Oh Lord, I'm not even gonna even get excited for this, but
It's overpowering too, like a perfumey.
no.
I'm
giving this
It's not bad though.
thumbs up. Cause
Yeah, because it's good actually.
just pass that over there. I'm just
I had some water.
yeah, cause
Okay. This is a product of Japan, and it's called Calplicto, and it's like a strawberry, look like chocolate cones though.
let me tell y'all something. She did all the grabbing on this stuff.
Yeah, I did.
The only thing I grabbed was that nasty, musty down Lay's over there. Ooh.
Oh, this is like an ice cream cone.
Wow, y'all. We should grab. Yeah, go ahead.
So I'll take a
Go.
bite, then you bite.
Go ahead.
I don't know.
I think I'm gonna pass. I don't want to taste it.
No.
Go ahead.
But it's like got a cake. It's like.
Oh, okay.
I'm
at the
thumbs down on that.
I'm good. So
Now,
last but not least,
we have some drinks that we're gonna try.
All right.
The first one we're gonna try. Wait a minute, we might need to drink our water because we only got 2 cups of 2 different.
Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna save my water for the other challenge because
Okay.
yeah.
Well, this is I want to say a product of maybe China. I don't know. Maybe a Jamaican drink, but or Mexican drink. That's what it is because it's Goya.
Oh, yeah,
But it's sangria. Can you open that? And we're gonna see what it tastes like. It's non-alcoholic, so
Ooh.
I got a feeling I might like it.
There you go. Next stop.
I'm not gonna put a lot.
Just a little bit because that looks like it's. I don't know. All right, y'all. Toast it to you, y'all.
Subscribe. Y'all take the
Man, there y'all go. There y'all go. I don't know.
I don't know. It really don't have a taste.
It don't have a taste at all. No lie.
Like it just tastes like carbonated water.
Straight up. I'm gonna open this other one.
Okay. And this is ginger beer, and it is a Jamaican drink. So this is a ginger beer from Jamaica. So we're gonna try the ginger beer. You should.
I'm good.
We're gonna give another toast to you.
So mine's a little mixed, but that's okay.
Very gingery. Very ginger. Very ginger. But actually, I like it.
I don't like it. That was too overpowering
it's
to
ginger,
me.
But
That's
this is the real ginger beer because I've had it before and it wasn't as so. I'm gonna say the sangria may be a thumbs up because I believe. I mean, it wasn't bad.
It didn't have no taste.
But that ginger beer, I'm gonna have to say a thumbs down.
It was just too strong. All right, y'all. So let's get to the fun part. That's over with. I say my water. I don't know what you thinking, but you is crazy. So wash it down.
I'll be all right.
All right. Put this over here.
So this is the exciting.
All right. This is the best.
So
Did we get the cards?
I got the cards.
Oh, okay.
So this is the Harry Potter. It's called Bots.
Put it over there on the camera. So you actually see it right there. Well, there you go.
And it's like really, really gross flavors. Will you read off the flavors for them?
All right, so we got a couple disgusting flavors here. We have grass, green apple, marshmallow, rotten egg, sausage, lemon, soap, tutti frutti, vomit, watermelon, okay, and then on the other side, earwax, earthworm, dirt, cinnamon, cherry, candy floss, booger, blueberry, black pepper, and banana.
Okay, so we have the color cards here, which all we done was just got some paint cards. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn them on the back side. And we're dealing cards, so we don't know what we're going to get. But whatever color, she's going to read the flavor off to me or her because I can't read because it's too small. So it's too small for me. So so you want me to go first?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
You love to participate
I'm
first.
nervous, y'all. I have this one.
Ooh,
This.
you got vomit.
Oh,
Ew.
oh my God, y'all. I have the vomit. So, I don't know if I can do it.
Come on, because I'm going to be probably tasting something disgusting. Just bite into it. If you don't like it, spit it out. Ooh. Ooh.
No.
It's that bad? Oh my goodness. All right. You ain't got no water. You tripping. You better use that no taste flavor.
I can't do that. Okay.
All right.
You're next.
I'm next, y'all. Z next. Bam!
You have that one.
Was it cherry, I believe? Ooh, cherry. Or either cinnamon or... Well...
That's the only one. So
cherry.
That's going to be cherry. And we have to use that card again because we got to use it for, we're gonna use it for that one too.
Okay.
So I'll just put it at the bottom. So it's the
No, this is cinnamon.
cinnamon? Okay, just put that over there. Just take it off.
Alright.
Alright, y'all. Watch I get another gross one. I got... This is what that one's going to be.
Okay, so it's candy floss, I believe.
What's that?
Candy floss.
You see that, y'all? Candy floss.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me try. Tastes like cotton candy.
Yeah, well, there you go. Lucky you. Me. Next up in the building. Oh my goodness!
Either throw up or that's which one is that?
Oh my goodness.
That's that
Jesus. Green apple. But it's saying green apple
Oh, okay.
or grass. But I
It's
think
that
green
one.
apple. I'm just gonna taste it because
What's that?
it
It might be grass then.
Yep, it's grass. Mm-hmm. Well,
Let's take that one off.
well.
So it's grass. Let's move it up.
No turn.
This one, I think it's dirt, isn't it?
Sausage.
Sausage? Ugh, I know I'm not going to like this. This is sausage?
Yeah.
Is that what it says?
Sausage? What's this like?
Oh. Oh! I can't. It's nasty. I will throw up, y'all, if I eat that.
That is disgusting. Okay.
No.
Alright. I got white.
That's that one. What's that?
You just,
What is it?
hold on, I'm sorry. Wait. I was looking around. Earwax. Ew.
Ooh.
Bro.
Ugh.
Oh my God. is crazy.
Cameron, if you're watching this is some gross stuff.
It really is.
You got us doing.
Yeah, Cameron.
This is the gray one because we didn't have a gray, so I don't know what that is. What is that flavor?
The gray one probably, I think. But it is soap.
So this one's soap. So here we go, y'all. Ooh. It tastes like lye soap. That's exactly what that tastes like. Lye soap.
Ooh, that's
So-
disgusting.
The blue.
So the blue situation,
We
I'm just gonna
both gonna try the blue because we don't have one.
we're
And
gonna
see
both
what
try
we
it this
taste.
time because I don't know.
It's the
Let's get some.
This is a little blue. It tastes like soap to me.
Ew.
No, wax. That's like wax.
Yeah, it gotta be like another wax color or something. We just gonna put this. Yo, we is everywhere with this. All right, come
Okay.
on. That's that booger right there.
No.
No, I'm sorry. I was talking about this.
This one.
So that's the lime. Try it. It's just a lime. Or Rodney.
It's okay, y'all.
Oh, banana. A banana right there. So that could be lime though and slick.
It's lime.
Okay, lime.
Mm-hmm.
Lucky you. Next.
That brown one is this one.
Oh, I think it's marshmallow.
Oh, that's
And I don't like marshmallows.
I do.
I hate it. Yep, it's marshmallow.
let me have a piece.
What the? Oh.
Mmm.
Alright.
It's good.
Come
Okay,
on.
Oh, I got the booger, y'all.
Oh, let me see. Oh my
Yeah.
goodness, the booger.
Oh,
I'm glad I ain't got to do that.
y'all. Who knows what a booger tastes like? Ugh. Ugh. Mm-mm. No.
Alright,
Gross.
that's, ew.
It's that one.
So this gotta be green apple. Yeah.
Why am I getting all the gross ones?
Yep.
Like, all the gross ones. Okay, this one is gonna be... We're gonna do it for this one, right here. What's that?
That would be banana.
Banana? Yeah. What's banana? I don't like it either, but...
Oh, we gonna get on the
We got
top.
that one. These two we gotta sample
Oh,
together.
this is earthworm.
That one is?
Yes. Ooh.
Ugh.
Oh my. Alright, so we're gonna figure out what's the... Oh,
Okay.
so this one...
right here.
Let me make sure that's... We better hope that ain't Rodney, because that's the last yellow on the slit.
Oh, good. We get to try it together. I don't know what that is. I really don't.
Ew, I don't know.
It's nasty, whatever it is.
And then we got... That gotta be another...
It's like, look,
What
the
is
pink
that?
color.
Pink.
Mm-hmm. I don't know what that is.
I don't like jelly beans anyways. So I don't know what. But anyways, y'all need to try that. I think they did a lot of, it was really called Bean Booze
Mm-hmm.
Challenge. So we actually combined both of this together in one video. So we wanted to make it a little bit longer. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. for this because we really tried this nasty
And
stuff
if you want
today.
to try this challenge, we're not going to call out any names or anything, but if you
Yeah.
want to try it, you can get this. This is what it is, and you can get it purchase it at Walmart.
Yeah, definitely at Walmart around the registers. So until next time, peace.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose